Hi guys. So now we're going to be looking at the last trading day of the week, last week. That would be on Thursday, April 17th. I'm using the same algorithm that I've been using all week, except based on the last video, I increased this to 50. I put it back to 40 because that's the risk that I'm willing to take per trade, about $200, and the profit still remains at 21, which would give me 100 profit and some towards my commission. Once again, starts at 8 in the morning, ends at 4. So let's just apply that. We want to enable it and we will see how this turns out. Nothing yet because it's too early.
Target filled.
First one's a winner. We can
Or
see.
target filled.
Okay, second one's a winner. We're up almost $200. My friend would say $200 a day keeps the day job away, but we want to see how this plays out. Let's see if it takes any more trades.
Or target filled.
Okay, another one, another winner. We're at almost 300.
Or stop filled.
Ooh,
Or target filled.
last one but made one more up. We're back to 189, so not exactly what we were up before. And that's the end of the day. So if we are to pause that and go back to the performance, let's move this away. All right, so we're looking at a profit factor of 1.9, which is pretty good. It took 5 overall trades, and 4 of them were winners, 1 of them were losers. You know, 80% profitability is not something that I'm going to argue with. If I go to the trades, we can see the graph looks pretty good. Maybe I need to work on lowering my stop, but as it is right now, I think the best bet might be to increase my profit target rather than lowering the stop, because if you can remember yesterday, the 40 ticks was just too little. This day and age, with everything happening in the market, not sure if you follow the news, but the market has been a little bit more volatile. The VIX has been higher. So what I will do for my next video is run it through the week again, the full week, instead of one by one. And instead of having my profit target at 20 or 21, I'll increase it by 10 to 31, and I will increase this as well by 10. That way 10 increase there, 10 increase there, $50 increase on both sides, $50 for both my targets. So instead of $100 target, I'll be looking for $150, and $50 increase on my stop. So instead of 200, it'll be at about 250. Of course, you know, with stoppage and slippage, sorry, we can never tell. But until the next time, thanks for watching.